Hey YouTube. Now you can see me. Everybody doing alright? Just back here a little further into the woods here. Uh, Smoking my Legend, my Rob Roy bow. It's really nice back here. Glad we're getting a little dry weather. Been raining a lot back here, which is good, so I can feel like it's okay to walk back here with my pipe. It's a little safer now. I won't be able to whenever it gets dry around July or August, but it's always really nice to come back here and just smoke a pipe and listen to nature and that lonesome train sound in the background. Boy, if I could stretch out a hammock right here, I'd sleep for days. Well, listen, I'm going to get off here. I just wanted to say hi and smoke a pipe with you for a minute. It's beautiful back here. Just beneath the canopy of this woods. You guys have a good night and keep her smoking.